Hello guys! Today I'm gonna show you something that I bought from Lazada. So this is the packaging, and yes, you're right, 139 pesos only. So you can cook noodles, you can steam something, and this is very cute and looks so aesthetic. So as you can see, I put water and I just wait for it to boil. And now I'm putting 2 packs of instant noodles. Kasya ang 2 packs of instant noodles sa kanya. Saktong-sakto lang. And hintayin ko lang siyang kumulo. Siguro mga 2 minutes, 3 minutes, depende. Now, ito